How to sign up for a Twitch account on Android. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can sign up for a Twitch account using Android. So simply open up Google Chrome on your phone or Safari or whatever browser you use, and then after that just simply type in the search bar at the very top Twitch. So simply type in Twitch over here, and then after that just simply type in sign up. And once you guys do that, just simply open up the first link, and then as soon as you guys open up the first link, it is going to take you guys over to this particular page. So just give it a few seconds, and then after that you will be able to see your Twitch sign up page. So over here the website is about to load up, and as you guys can see over here in about 3 seconds, that Twitch sign up page is very straightforward. So let's just give it a few more seconds. So over here, as you guys can see, that to sign up on Twitch you have to simply put in a username over here, and then after that put in a password, then basically repeat that password, then give it your date of birth, your phone number, and then after that you can simply click on sign up and your account is going to be created on Twitch. So guys, that is how you guys can very easily sign up on Twitch. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.